Wago's power distribution terminal blocks and 2601 series PCB terminal blocks enable simple and compact connectivity in appliance and HVAC applications. Both series feature push-in cage clamp technology to terminate solid, stranded, or ferruled connectors, with faster installation times to reduce labor costs, plus test points for easy verification and troubleshooting. Wago 2006 series Top Job S power distribution terminal blocks are just 9 millimeters wide for space-saving distribution across 6 outputs. They feature molded-in conductor entry marking, a highly visible orange push button for intuitive operation, and a jumper retention spring to ensure contact integrity and vibration resistance. Wago 2601 series PCB terminal blocks accommodate 26 to 14 AWG wires, with horizontal and vertical connections available. They feature a lever actuation at a 90-degree angle to the conductor connection for easy access and tool-free installation. They're optionally available with double pinning with a 3.5 millimeter pin spacing.